Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. Today, we're going to talk about how you can make money with chat and improve it with a service called ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like text based on the prompts given to it. But did you know you can monetize this technology? Let's dive into how. Step 1. Understand the capabilities of chat. ChatGPT can be used for a variety of applications, such as content creation, customer service, tutoring, and more. Identify a niche where you can leverage these capabilities. Step 2. Create a service or product. You can create a service where you offer to generate content for blogs, scripts, or even books using chat. Alternatively, you can develop a product, such as a chatbot for customer service, powered by chat. Step 3. Market your service or product. Use social media, SEO, and other marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Explain how your service or product can solve their problems or meet their needs. Now, let's talk about CustomGPT is a service that allows you to create your own chatbot with your business content. It provides accurate responses from your content without making up facts, all within a secure, privacy-first, business-grade platform. Step 4. Integrate Customed. By integrating Customed, you can enhance the capabilities of your chat-powered service or product. For instance, if you have a chatbot, CustomGPT can make it more accurate and tailored to your business. Step 5. Promote the enhanced features. Highlight how the integration of Customed improves your service or product. This could be a unique selling point that sets you apart from the competition. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create a profitable business using chat and Customed. Remember, the key is to identify a need, create a solution using these technologies, and effectively market it to your target audience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We'd greatly appreciate your support.